In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download this free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, open it. Now select OK in Welcome pop-up, and if you want to, tap on Timeout to make sure that Infinite is on. When you finished, you can close Caffeine app and go into Tab menu. Finally, click on this Edit button next to the gear one at the top right corner. Click on Caffeine shortcut to add it to your menu. Place it wherever you want to, and then hit Done at the top. Finally, find and click on Caffeine shortcut. In this pop-up, you need to tap on gray switcher next to Allow modifying system settings. And finally, go to Tab menu one last time. Now, when I click on my shortcut, I can see that Infinite Sleep Time is on. To turn it off, click on the same tile one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!